I'm Hamoud Salhi. I'm Senior International Officer at California State University, Dominguez Hills in Los Angeles. So diversity and inclusivity is very, very important to international students. The American way of life project the idea that there are different groups and interact with each other. What we have on campus is what we say the fit. International students, when they come to campus, they feel at home because they're exposed to different cultures, different ways of life, and they get to represent themselves the best they could do. A very, very good example for us is that we have each year international students involved in the government of the university's club organization. The main university institution, ASI, it was led by an international student who won the position by running running in an election. The officer who sets the budget is also an international student, and we have members who are dual representing. You may not find this kind of inclusivity representing diversity in other places, and that's really what makes us sort of proud seeing international students succeed in another environment and being accepted in that environment. I really, really enjoyed it for several reasons. The best reason is it's really you feel you are among friends. We all thrive in to get that many students, but you leave with the idea that you establish good relationship, meeting friends that you think could help you achieve your mission. The other thing is that I'm so impressed by the help that is provided by the organizers. The idea of feeling that you are in a different country and we are going to help you, this is amazing. The third aspect is the way the organization, the meeting with the different association, there was always a sense that there is help there, and there is a sense that we are going to continue building on this relationship. And I am fully confident that we set the ground here for building for success, and thanks to the NET24. Thank you so much.